This is how to factory reset, hard reset any TCL, any Android TCL made by or made for Alcatel. So this is the Alcatel 20XE, and let's get right into it. We're going to start by first holding volume up, and then we're going to hold power. But we're going to hold them at the same time. I'm going to push volume first, beep, and then power, boop. And then we're going to hold until we see the TCL, feel a vibration, and the TCL logo now shows up. Now it comes to the Android recovery menu, and now we're going to use the volume buttons to scroll down to wipe data factory reset, and then we're going to push power for OK. Then it asks us to confirm. I'm going to use volume to go down to factory data reset. And then I'm going to push power for OK. And then we'll look down here, and it says the data wipe is now complete. And then we can reboot the system by pushing the power button one more time. And it will power right back on, cycle power right back on. And that is how you factory reset, hard reset any Android TCL made for Alcatel. Thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe.